Diwali is my absolute favorite festival. It's the one tradition that I carry with me around the globe. As a kid, I remember missions with my dad, hunting for the loudest, most ear-shattering firecrackers. I grew older and thankfully I grew wiser, and I swapped the patakas for lights and decorating our home and making it beautiful. It has become a shared obsession now. Every year, I have so many passionate debates with my dad about the color and the quantity of lights. But let's be real, when it comes to Diwali, there's no such thing as too many lights, right? Hello there, I'm Shalini. I'm a product lead here at Canva, and I'm so thrilled to guide you in crafting your own Diwali cards and invitations. It's a task that is very close to my heart, and I do it every year. For anyone who hasn't heard of Diwali before, let me explain. Diwali, also known as Deepavali or the Festival of Lights, it's a significant festival that is celebrated by millions of people across the world. It celebrates the victory of light over darkness, good over evil, and knowledge over ignorance, and is traditionally marked by lighting of oil lamps, decorating homes with lights, feasting on sweets, so many sweets, and exchanging gifts and setting off patakas. Each of the 5 days of Diwali hold its own significance and its own rituals, but the most significant day is when families gather for a big meal, prayers, celebrations, fireworks, and well, more sweets. And while Diwali has roots in Hindu mythology, it is today celebrated by people of so many backgrounds and religions, reflecting the diversity and inclusivity of the festival. As for cards and invites, well, they play a really significant role. They serve as a formal and heartfelt way of inviting loved ones to partake in the joyous celebrations. It promotes community, togetherness, and really is the spirit of this festival. Let me show you some examples. This is the best way for you to understand. Go to the Canva homepage and simply type Diwali into the search field. Well, look at all these results. As you can see, these cards and invites often carry warm wishes for prosperity, happiness, and good health. This reflects on the spirit of Diwali and showcases beautiful designs, colors, and motifs associated with the festival and the culture. Ooh, I love that one. Click on it to see the preview. These little characters are so great. Customize by clicking here. Everything is customizable. Move things around, change colors, choose new fonts. You get the idea, right? Make it your own. These little people are so fun. I wonder if there are more. Select them, hit the info button, and choose See More like this. Oh wow, I want all of them. What I often do is create an extra page and drag in the ones I love. That way they're nice and close when you need them. You could also add them to a folder, star them like this. Okay, yeah, one thing that I've been ignoring is this template is actually for a poster. But it's not a problem at all, you know. It's very easy to adjust it for a different size. I'll show you how. But if you're actually interested in posters for Diwali, there's this video by my coworker Ronak that goes into more detail for that. In fact, you should check out our tips from the team playlist. We're uploading new videos every week, and it's really the best way to learn Canva and how it levels up your design. Ooh, this is a really good one. Okay, sorry, I promised I'd show you how to reformat a poster into a card. So if you're a pro user or on Canva for Teams or education, you can just hit the magic resize button right here. Choose a folded card size and an invitation. You can choose as many as you like and then just hit continue. You might need to move things around a little bit, but there you are, a folded card. And an invite, ready to go in seconds. If you're not a pro user, not to worry. You can either get a free trial or open a new document and copy paste everything in. It's the same outcome, just takes you a little bit longer. To print, just go here, choose your paper type, choose your finish, quantity, and hit continue. And that's it. Your invites and cards will be at your door in just over a week. They'll come with a free delivery, a happiness guarantee, and a one print and one free promise. Okay, that's how you use templates. Now let me show you some new illustration collections made specifically for Diwali. Starting on the home page, go to Print Products, choose a postcard, perfect for invite but also displayable. The Design tab will give you a bunch of templates, but open up the Elements tab and type in this special code. This will find a special collection created by Hannah DeRoll. Oh, they're so beautiful, aren't they? Using illustrations like this as your starting point, it's hard to go wrong. The way I normally work is to keep creating new pages, experimenting, and trying out different things. In other words, I just have fun. You should too. Oh, there's another set worth looking at as well. Before too long, a specific direction will emerge, and I'll pursue that to completion. Add text like this. I really like Berkshire Swash. It's a great font. It has a delightful little serifs that remove some of the formality. Wow, this is looking amazing. Well, I dare say so myself. Add a personal message on the back. Remember, Magic Write is always there to help you. Any details about when and where, add an RSVP if you like. To print, just go here. And like before, choose your quantity, finish, etc. And that's it. Easy, isn't it? Now, you could also choose to send this digitally. Oh, this gives me a chance to show off another collection of elements. So excited. Put in this code. I'll also put these at the end of the video and in the description. Ooh, how great are these? I'm going to replace a few like this. Adjust the colors. I can even go here and add a few extra animations. Alright, I believe you've got the concept. When you're happy, go to the Share menu and choose the Public View link. This creates a viewable link anyone can access, no sign-on required. Alright, so this is what they'll see. They can react here, and you can see how many views you're getting in the Insights tab. If you need to change anything, go right ahead. It will automatically update what people see. Super handy if you realize you've made a little mistake. And that's it. This is how easy it is to pull together a card or an invite for Diwali. It's the perfect way to keep the tradition alive, especially among people who are living far from home, people living in different countries. So easy to maintain a cultural collection despite the distance. Any questions or feedback, we'd love to hear it. Put it in the comments below and we'll get back to you. And yes, if you're celebrating Diwali this year, I hope it brings you joy, prosperity, and good health. Happy Diwali! Oh, you're still here. Did I forget something? Oh, I forgot to give you the codes. Okay, for this set, please type in this code. And for the animated set, look for this one. Pause the video, copy it down if you need. Got it? I hope you have so much fun playing with these. I know I did. And if you're looking for something else to watch, check out this playlist. And maybe this video, it will go really nicely with what you just watched. And don't forget to subscribe. It's the best way to level up your Canva skills. See you next time.